Is creativity a uniquely human gift? For centuries we believed so. We pointed to art, music, and literature as testaments to our unique abilities. But today, the landscape is shifting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is challenging our assumptions. It generates art, composes music, and even writes stories. This begs the question, what is creativity, and can machines truly possess it? The emergence of AI as a creative force is not a sudden phenomenon. It is the culmination of years of research and development. We have moved from simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks. These networks learn from vast data sets, identifying patterns and relationships. This allows AI to generate novel outputs, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. The implications of this shift are profound. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we create, innovate, and interact with the world around us. It also raises fundamental questions about the nature of creativity and the role of humans in an increasingly automated future. Today, AI models like Midjourney, DALL-E 2, and ChatGPT are creating original artworks, stories, and even music compositions, challenging traditional ideas of what creativity means. The evolution of AI creativity can be traced through distinct waves of development. Early AI systems relied on explicit rules and pre-programmed instructions. They could mimic existing styles but lacked true originality. The introduction of machine learning marked a turning point. AI began learning from data, identifying patterns, and generating novel outputs. The development of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, pushed the boundaries further. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. GANs didn't just refine AI, they ignited a revolution. Machines could now create stunning, lifelike images and artistic styles that once only human hands could imagine. The generator creates new data instances, while the discriminator evaluates their authenticity. This adversarial process drives both networks to improve, resulting in increasingly realistic and creative outputs. The emergence of transformer models like GPT-3 and DALL-E 2 represents a significant leap forward. These models are trained on massive text and image datasets. They can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even answer questions in an informative way. These advancements have propelled AI creativity into the mainstream, sparking both excitement and debate. Understanding how AI creates requires delving into its underlying mechanisms. One key process is pattern recognition. AI algorithms excel at identifying complex patterns in data. These patterns can be visual, auditory, or even conceptual. By recognizing and extrapolating upon these patterns, AI can generate novel outputs that share similarities with the training data but are not mere copies. But behind every dataset, every pattern, and every innovation stands human intelligence. Without our knowledge, values, and creativity, even the most advanced AI would have no foundation. Another important mechanism is generative modeling. Generative models learn the underlying probability distribution of a dataset. This allows them to generate new data instances that are similar to the training data but not identical. For example, a generative model trained on images of faces can generate new, realistic-looking faces that have never been seen before. Finally, AI creativity often involves an element of probabilistic exploration. AI algorithms can explore a vast space of possibilities by sampling from probability distributions. This allows them to generate unexpected and surprising outputs. By combining pattern recognition, generative modeling, and probabilistic exploration, AI systems can produce creative outputs that challenge our notions of what machines are capable of. Human-AI synergy, a creative partnership. Rather than replacing human creativity, AI is emerging as a powerful tool for collaboration. In architecture, AI algorithms can generate building designs based on specific parameters and constraints. This allows architects to explore a wider range of possibilities and optimize for factors like energy efficiency and structural integrity. In music, AI can compose melodies, harmonize existing compositions, and even generate entire scores in different styles. This empowers musicians with new tools for experimentation and expression, pushing the boundaries of musical creativity. Fashion designers are also leveraging AI to generate novel designs, predict trends, and personalize garments. These examples highlight the potential of human-AI co-creation. By combining the strengths of both, we can unlock new levels of creativity and innovation. It's clear, AI isn't here to replace human creativity. It's here to amplify it, unlocking new realms of innovation that only humans, guided by meaning and vision, can truly lead. AI can augment human capabilities, providing inspiration, generating novel ideas, and handling tedious tasks. This frees up human creators to focus on higher-level aspects like storytelling, emotional resonance, and imbuing their work with meaning. The potential and limits of artificial imagination. AI creativity offers several advantages. AI algorithms can explore a vast creative space much faster than humans. They can analyze massive datasets, identify patterns, and generate outputs at an unprecedented scale. This speed and breadth of exploration open up new possibilities for innovation. AI is also free from the constraints of human biases, at least in principle. This allows it to generate truly novel and unexpected outputs, pushing the boundaries of creative expression. Guiding AI responsibly requires embedding principles of transparency, fairness, and human dignity into every creative system we design, because the future of creativity must be ethical as well as brilliant. However, it is crucial to recognize the limitations of AI creativity. While AI can generate outputs that are aesthetically pleasing or technically impressive, it lacks the capacity for true understanding, emotion, and intent. AI cannot replicate the human experience, which forms the foundation of truly meaningful art. Moreover, AI creativity is limited by the data it is trained on. If the training data is biased or incomplete, the AI's outputs will reflect these limitations. This highlights the importance of careful data curation and the need to address ethical considerations in AI development. Navigating the ethical landscape of AI creativity. The rise of AI creativity raises important ethical questions. One key issue is ownership and attribution. If an AI system generates a piece of art or music, who owns the copyright? The creator of the AI, the user who provided the input, or the AI itself? These questions challenge traditional notions of authorship and require careful consideration. Another ethical concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify existing biases. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they may generate outputs that are discriminatory or offensive. This highlights the importance of developing AI systems that are fair, unbiased, and aligned with human values. As we venture further into the realm of AI creativity, it is essential to establish ethical guidelines and frameworks for its development and use. This includes promoting transparency, accountability, and ongoing dialogue to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and benefit humanity as a whole. We must approach this new frontier with both excitement and caution, leveraging the creative potential of AI while safeguarding against its potential pitfalls. As we started on the frontier of human and artificial creativity, one thing becomes clear. True innovation happens not when we replace human imagination, but when we expand it. AI is a powerful tool, but the soul of creativity remains human. And if you're ready to dive even deeper, join our exclusive AI member club. You'll get early access, bonus content, and direct learning opportunities to grow faster and smarter. In Lesson 11, we'll explore the future of human-AI co-creation, how AI is becoming a true creative collaborator, helping artists, writers, and innovators across every field. See you there. The future of creativity is just beginning.